To start with, click Groups in any window. If you want to search to find out groups that meet your criteria, here I put in the word invest, and I came up with several groups that have that terminology. I can go preview the groups. I can learn about the individual who started the group by clicking on Created By, and I can see what other groups they've joined to determine whether or not this is a person I want to work with on any level. Let's do a different one. Spiritual. Now these groups are all spiritual, and I can click that group, and I can also learn about who's in that group. By clicking that, I find out who the individual members are, and I can learn about them by clicking on their profile. I can contact those people individually, so it helps me to know that in the groups I want to join, what kind of people are there, and I can communicate with those people. But even if I try to connect with them and they haven't accepted my connection, I can reach them through the group. So that's very important. The last thing I can do in a group is I can message the group creator, which is down at the bottom of any group. Let's go to this particular group. Message all members. If it's my group, I can send out a message to all members. And the last thing I can do with groups is I can click Groups and click New, and this opens up a new window. Here, I'll call this one New Group. I'll say my objective is to have fun. I'm going to be the manager. And the resources will be knowledge, although you're going to make these much more elaborate for your purposes. I'll have no requirement to join, and here I can put in my website, which become hyperlinked, and I can set up a welcome message. And the message can be whatever I want it to be. Once I've filled that out, I can make this group publicly available to all people to join with one click the button Join, or by request, which means that I get to filter out who gets to join by looking at their profile first and deciding if I want them to enter my group. I click Send Welcome Message, and I choose a file to upload. Here's the file. Choose and create. And if we look over here in groups, we'll see in a minute. There we go. There's my new group. Now once I have my group, as you'll see, if I click Conversations, have a message from New Group Activities, and I can instantly respond into that group. How is everyone today? And there's my new message. The other thing you'll see is that all creators of groups can hide or delete any post that they make. So if you say something you don't want to say, or it comes out wrong, or you misspell it, or for whatever reason, you can remove that post, and then all the other people in that conversation will no longer see that post. I can also send out random additional messages to all my membership. So here's a new message. Something important happened, and although that other message becomes live, you'll see message from New Group. And these messages are all live. When somebody joins, they get the messages, and they see all the conversation that's already occurring in that, and they get to join right in as if they were there from the beginning. So it's quite a handy feature.